Oh, hello there. Just got the old mystery title from Terror Vision because I guess I had disposable income at the time. I don't know. Maybe it could have went into the savings account because of a penny saved and all, but here we go. Oh, Dark Harvest, but which one? There's like fucking 18. Hey, Brandon, thanks for packing my order. Ah, it's that one. This was released by Severin and Intervision. I guess old Dave didn't renew the license. Yep, yep. So I have this already. It's not very good, and that's probably why it was a mystery title. The Intervision. Yep, see, there's the cover. I know. The Intervision version comes with some Vincent Price anthology. I think the only one worth the fuck on there is maybe two kids and a fucking puppet on a bridge or something. But that could be something totally different. I don't know. Well, terrific. If you bought this and don't have it, I can't say you won't like it, but I really didn't. And if you want this, hit me up. I'll sell it. Otherwise, it's going straight to the old eBay. All right. So there's that. I guess if it was worth selling, it wouldn't be a secret. Boy, gob.
For checking out the show. We hope you dug it, baby. If so, give us a thumbs up. Subscribe and let us know down below. Support Tom and Joe by heading over to dwnproductions.net and fastcustomshirts.com. Until next time.